In this video, I'll show you how to search for issues in Jira with Claude AI. First, open your Jira dashboard and go to the main search area where you normally filter issues using keywords, status, assignee, or sprint. Next, run a basic search in Jira using filters like project name, issue type, or status, and then copy the results or export the issue list if needed. This gives you the raw data that you will use with Claude. After that, open Claude AI in your browser and start a new chat. Now paste the list of issues you copied from Jira, or paste a summary of the issues you want to analyze. Then clearly tell Claude what you want, such as finding patterns, grouping issues, or identifying blockers. Now Claude will analyze the information and help you understand your Jira data more easily. For example, you can ask it to group issues by priority, highlight overdue tasks, or find tickets that are stuck in the same status for too long. Next, if you want more advanced search help, you can describe what you are looking for in natural language, like, find all high-priority bugs assigned to the front-end team that are not resolved. Claude can help you translate this into a proper Jira filter or JQL query. After that, go back to Jira and apply the improved filters or JQL queries that Claude helped you create. This makes your searches more accurate and saves a lot of time compared to manual filtering. Finally, use Claude regularly to refine your searches, analyze issue trends, and keep your project organized with better insights. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to search for issues in Jira with Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.